Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up PayPal on PrizePicks. First, open the PrizePicks application on your mobile device or navigate to their website. Locate the deposit button, usually found prominently on the home screen or within your account menu. Tap or click this option to proceed to the funding page. Here, you will see various deposit methods available for your convenience. Select PayPal from the list of options presented to begin the secure linking process. Remember, the minimum deposit is typically $10. After selecting PayPal, you will be securely redirected to the official PayPal website or app. This is a crucial step to ensure your financial information remains protected. Log in using your PayPal account credentials, including your email address and password. Once logged in, you will be prompted to authorize PrizePicks to access your PayPal account for transactions. Review the details carefully and confirm the authorization. This establishes a secure connection between your PayPal and PrizePicks accounts, allowing for seamless future deposits. Upon successful authorization, you will be automatically redirected back to the PrizePicks application. Now, you can specify the exact amount of money you wish to deposit into your PrizePicks wallet. Enter your desired deposit amount, keeping in mind any minimum or maximum limits. Double-check the amount for accuracy before proceeding. Finally, confirm the transaction to complete your deposit. The funds should appear in your PrizePicks account almost instantly, ready for you to start playing. To ensure a smooth experience, always verify that your PayPal account has sufficient funds before initiating a deposit. If you encounter any issues during the process, such as a failed transaction or an error message, do not hesitate to contact PrizePicks customer support. They are available to assist you with any technical difficulties. Also, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified to avoid any potential delays or restrictions on your transactions. A verified account offers greater security and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.